Alright guys, we're back again with our CW01 creations DT02. We're in the brush category. We've only made one real change. We went with some larger tires that are off of our Piranha. That's this rig here. So you can see we're going to be doing a head-to-head this week. HBX versus the PX-Toys 9200. Our first monster truck rigs. So keep in tune for that. That'll be out tomorrow. That's if my And then we're going to be switching from our URGENEX 70C, these large lipos, the 2S, to be running the 2250C, the smaller one, to reduce our weight. So my thought is reduce the weight, increase our diameter of our tires, and let's see where it goes. But it looks like my battery's dead on my GPS, so I'll be back in a minute. We gotta get it charged. Alright, I had to switch controllers out. So like I was saying, 2S 2200 2S, URGENEX 50C lipo. We'll look at it again after we're done. We're at 0. See that? 30 miles an hour max, so that's nothing. Let me try and bind. Sorry about the delay, guys. So, like I was saying, while I was charging this, the GPS, there was like 3 cars that went by, and that was it. There we go. But it looks like it's picking up again. Turn our steering down. Okay. So you're ready to go, guys. Cross your fingers. So it looks like Green Hawk was right ahead of me last time around by like I don't know, 50th of a second or 30th of a second or something like that. So hopefully we break that 31, 32 mile an hour and we can, oh look at that, there's nobody on the road. Let's get rolling. So, with any luck, hopefully, let's turn my headgear up a little bit. We'll sit right here for a minute. Watch the road go by. Hopefully I don't get run over, guys. I wasn't taking a chance. Walk of shame. But hopefully, maybe we got 30. We'll give one more zip back real quick. Hopefully I take a little better camera shot than last time, guys. And then we'll pull it in. Clean, clean, clean. Very clean. Perfect, perfect. Oh, perfect. The pinion just popped off, so I guess we're not going any further. Cross your fingers, guys. We did a little better than last time. 29.9. So we went backwards. So my guess is that 70C versus 50C made a big difference. So what we'll do is we'll charge that 70C, put that back in here, and retry it with these big tires. Process elimination, guys. Process elimination. Am I even speaking right? And we'll get this on the charge. And make sure you check us out tomorrow. We're going to have a head-to-head, Lauren and I. So I'll see you when I see you. And thanks, TW. I really appreciate it. This is a great contest. I love this little buggies, man. I'll see ya. Bye.